Hello everyone, in today's video I'll be showing you how you'll be able to get a $30 no deposit bonus with just 2 lot size requirements. And if you're just seeing this video for the first time, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like and share to others so that they can also benefit with you on how to get a no deposit bonus. So first of all, you have to first sign up with this broker by putting in your name, your email, your country of residence, state of residence, and also your phone number. After doing that, you answer this question showing right here and click on I've read the terms and condition, then click on create account. So an account has been created for you, and then you go to your Gmail to get login to verify your Gmail. So once you go to the Gmail to verify the Gmail, you click on this part showing click here. Once you click on it, it takes you back to where you put in your login details. As you can see right here, I've been brought back to where I put in the login details. And still you have to go back to once you click on this place, you have to go back to your Gmail to get login details. So I got back right here, see the login details showing in this place. So I had to blur this place out because YouTube don't permit me showing my Gmail and stuff like that. So right here you get the login details, go back to the site and put in your login details as correct. So once you put in your login details, you click on remember me and then you log in. So from here, you see you've been logged in into their area. The next thing to do is to complete these details. You have to submit your address, which you'll be needing to verify. Also, you click on complete details, then it takes you to this part where you have to put in your address, your city, the postal code, date of birth, and stuff like that. So once you're done putting in the details, you can see it has been successful. And then the next part is for you to go to WhatsApp. I'll be adding this number to the description, where you'll be able to message this WhatsApp number. You put in this message as shown in this order, and send your documents to them and your bank statement. This person will be the person that will help you verify your details, because without verification you won't be able to claim the bonus. So once you send in your document to the person, you send in your bank statement, within 5 minutes I got verified. So the next thing is go back to this area, to the site, then click on dashboard. So once you click on dashboard, you scroll to the bottom where you click on open live trading accounts. From there you see $30 no deposit bonus, and if you scroll up back, you see where you select MT4 or MT5. So after selecting the bonus, then you select the type of leverage you want for the bonus, and then click on proceed. So I clicked on proceed right here, and then I'll send details of my login, of my MT5 login, to my Gmail. So from here, if you go back straight to your Gmail, you see login details in this order like this. You have login details just like this. So you copy this, you go straight to your MT5, and then put in the name of the server, which is Extreme Markets Limited. You select it and then put in the login details which was sent to your Gmail. Once you put in the login details and the password, then click on login. As you can see, I've been logged in and the account is ready for trading. And know this, you have just 30 days to trade this bonus. As you can see, I'll be placing orders soon, but you have just 30 days to place this bonus, and to make sure your trade must be up to 2 minutes. But I'll be putting in the description the terms and conditions for you to go through them. Once you go through the terms and conditions, you know the requirements needed before you can withdraw up to $100 from this bonus. As you can see, everything is ready. Have a nice day.